Welcome to CompanyIQ, brought to you by MyLogic. Today, we'll be learning how to navigate disclosure results with CompanyIQ. The first step is completing your search. Start by selecting a date range and adding companies to your search criteria. Smart Peers is also available in this module. For a tutorial on using the Smart Peers, please visit the video. You can use the index, exchange, or SASB sector filters. You can also include keywords in your search. There is also a filter that allows you to select the type of text and table you'd like to filter. You can enter the form type or form group and also use the Smart function. If you'd like to be more specific, you can use the filters from the Refined General Search section. These include auditors, financial metrics, and more. Once you have click on Go, you'll be navigated to a results window that look like the ones shown here. You'll notice that the text and table filter is also available in this results screen. On top of the results panel, you can view the number of results that fit your search criteria. If there are more than 1,000 results, select Load All to view all possible results. Your results will automatically be loaded by filing date. On the header, you click on company name to sort your results by alphabetical order. You can also sort the results by filing date. You can also click on the calendar icon and choose the desired date. To sort by form type, type the desired form on the search box below the form type header, or click on the form type to sort. On the left side of the menu panel, you'll be able to review your search criteria by clicking on the View Criteria button, edit your search, do a recursive search, and filter your results using our analytics filters. You can compare more documents by selecting 2 documents at a time and click Compare. The text in black is the same text. The blue indicates added information, and the text crossed out in red identifies changes between the documents. On the top of the preview panel, you can click PDF to view the entire PDF document, or view at SIC to view the document in the SEC EDGAR database. If a filing includes exhibits, you can access this by clicking on the Exhibit Portal button. On the top right area of the page, there is an orange button that you can click to view different options to export your document, Word, PDF, and Excel. To save your search, click on the star icon next to the export icon. Click the alarm clock icon next to the star icon to receive notifications every time a document is filed under your search criteria. You can also navigate the table of contents with the drop-down menu to the right of the view window. Thank you for watching another of MyLogic's tutorial. To view more, please select one of the following videos.